Hi guys, my name is Erjon and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Retouch Pro Panel. So first thing first, what we're gonna need here is to clean this picture. So I'm gonna start with the cleaning tool and proceed then with frequency separation on this Pro Panel. So this is a fast clean, like basic clean, and we go with frequency separation. So first we're gonna need to use low and work on low. So for the low we can use dodging and burning or mixer brush. I usually prefer the mixer brush because it's easy, fast to work with. As you can see, the mixer brush makes skin tones, highlights, shadows, everything on the picture. It's more easy to work. This Pro Panel, this Retouch Pro Panel, I just got it from a friend and it's really helpful. It has too many features that are good for retouching, so I prefer you guys to go check it, link on below, and use it. It's a really helpful Pro Panel. It's very recommended by me. So if you wanna check it, link on below, link on description. So here we are working with a mixer brush, as you can see guys, before and after. We just clean the picture. It's more like a mixing colors, not a clean, but it makes things really good. It smooths the hard highlights, dead skin tones, things like that. As you can see, we can even work on lips here. It's really good even for lips, not just for the skin tones. It's more like for everything, I don't know. I use frequency separation for years now and it's been really helpful for everything, not just for touching beauty things and stuff, but for cleaning, changing backgrounds, everything. I think we are done with the low here and we can start working on high. As you can see guys, I don't even touch the textures and it's, as you can see, it's really good. So we can start working on texture with a clone tool. It's more good for the texture. We can definitely use even the spot healing brush or maybe healing brush. brush. It's not something you can do. It's really helpful and faster to work with. So I hope you like it. So I'm using the Vacuum Tools Pro. I'm not using a mouse, so maybe you can see some faster moves here. For the texture, in frequency separation, you want to keep it original, or I don't know, it to be clean, to be as good as we can keep it, not to destroy it, because frequency separation is a misunderstanding technique to many people, because of they've been watching tutorials, I don't know, like not properly tutorials. Frequency separation is a good technique to work with in beauty, not just in beauty, and for several different kind of pictures, not just for beauty. It's good for everything, but people have been misunderstanding the frequency separation technique, and that's why too many hate it. I don't know, they use dodging and burning. It's not like it's not that dodging and burning is a bad technique, but in frequency separation, if you use it properly, you can be really good on it. So I will definitely recommend to use frequency separation with dodging and burning, not without it, because you can dodge and burn, of course, but with frequency separation you're gonna get faster results. As you can see, what we have done here is just a clean picture. As I told you before, you can use it clean healing brush, but in some parts, some areas, you're gonna need to use clone tool, because it's it's more good. As you can see, I'm working with cleaning tool. I can't remember his name. Spot healing brush. I've been using Photoshop for years now, and I don't even remember the tools, their name, because they're tools. You can see them even in my dreams. Sometimes I'm even retouching in my dreams. I've been working on retouch for years now. It's like my full-time job. I hope you guys that my English is understandable, so you can learn from me. I hope it's not bad. So you can see what we have done here. It's really fast to work with. Another thing we want here is dodging and burning, so let's work on it. Here's the dodge, here's the burn. So I will use the brush tool. I will let the opacity be like 50, flow 15, smoothing like 12, that's good. We will use the white brush. Oh, that's too much, because I'm using Icon. For the dodge, we're gonna go like soft. We don't want to create like hard highlights. We wanna keep them naturally as far as we can. We go to the burn. properly, you know, because if you use it like fast or too much, it's gonna destroy the whole process. It's not something you can handle either, but it's good to keep things. As you can see, touch and burn, it's a really good thing to do in the picture. And here's the before and after of the entire process. We merge this, we go to the eyes, we choose iris, we choose whiten, we choose veins removal, and final touch. I can explain you guys everything what we just clicked here. The iris is like highlighting the iris. As you can see, I'm brushing over the iris. It's a really useful thing to do. As you can see, we just brighten the iris. So we'll work on the another eye. We have to do this in both. After the iris is done, we can work on the whites. As you can see, let me explain what this one does. It's like it's more like remove the redness from the eyes we have and make it a little bit wider. If you think it's too much, you have to lower the opacity. I'm thinking like 4 to 5 is good. Yeah, it's 4. And the veins removal, we work on that with brush, as you can see. It removes the veins we have in the eyes and disappear them, as you can see. And if you think it's too much, you can always lower the opacity to 50. I usually use 50 because it's like for the eye details. We work with brush. I mean, like most of the things we do in Photoshop are with a brush, so that's it. This is more like sharpening the eyes, as you can see. So that's all about the eyes. You can maybe scrub eyes. As you can see, we have done so much work here. One more thing is lips. We can add the lipstick here. Before adding the lipstick, we have to brush it on, so we can change the colors of the lips. So first thing first, we're gonna need to brush on the layer mask. You can use it, even the pen tool, to work it correctly, or maybe faster way, I don't know, but you can use it, the brush tool. As I said before, the brush tool is for everything. Oh, mistake. everything we've got here. We just created the mask or the lips, and here you can change the lipsticks so fast. It's so good. I really love this panel, man. It's so easy to work with. I like this one. If you think it's too much, you can always lower the opacity. And here you have it. One more thing is whiten teeth. We can always whiten teeth with our yellow and yellow color, because of the, when we shoot outdoor we get this kind of look because of the nature. And here you can see the whiten. This is obviously too much. We can load at 40, and that's good. As you can see, before and after, before, after. We have done a great job here, guys. So thank you for watching. If you really like this Retouch Pro Panel, link is down below. Go check it. I hope you enjoyed. It's in, I don't know, 6 different languages. It's Italian language, it's English, French, Spanish, Dutch, and even Russian. So it's a really useful panel. So I would definitely recommend you guys to go and check it. I hope you like it. There are many things like face shaping, there are some clothes fix, there are presets for the different kind of preset looks, colors, there are some water effects, some overlays like sun, snow, rain, dust, everything. There are some split toning here, and final touches like finish, make it grainy, blur, some background changes, so to save the photo, things and stuff. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, I must say, and I see you guys in the next time.